Deadly avalanches block access to China. Extreme snowstorms forecasted. A series of avalanches has once again disrupted access to a secluded tourist destination in China's westernmost Xinjiang region, prompting authorities to be on high alert for additional snowstorms expected throughout the week. Officials have committed to providing continual updates on weather and road conditions via social media platforms of the committee and traffic police. The statement from the committee highlighted the ongoing snowfall within the Canton scenic area and emphasized the extremely high risk of further avalanches, ensuring continuous traffic regulation to safeguard all road sections within the vicinity. The extreme weather conditions are anticipated to persist in the scenic area until the following week, with an additional snowfall of 35 centimeters to 45 centimeters expected from Wednesday to Friday, accompanied by strong winds, and temperatures forecasted to plummet to around -40 degrees Celsius from Thursday to Sunday. In northern Xinjiang to implement safety measures in anticipation of the severe weather.